Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of this electric lunchbox. Now, I have never in my life seen an electric lunchbox. Check this out, where this bad boy is heated, and you can see here, the light is on. It's a cooking. It is straight up a cooking. Now, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, hey Ryan, can you do one of your detailed overview reviews of our electric lunchbox? Who am I to say no? But in no way whatsoever will this be being provided to me positively nor negatively affect my review. So let me get into it. I assure you, this video will answer any and all questions you might have, even down to the size of this lunchbox. Now, this is a electric lunchbox. Let me change the camera so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, this is what you get. So this is the size, and I busted out the old handy dandy tape measure here. So full width. So if you're trying to figure out like where this might go, where it might fit, you're looking at about 9.5 inches to the edges here. You're looking at about 7 inches this way, and about almost 5 inches tall. So it kind of gives you an idea. What all comes with it? Well, you get this nice, you have a built-in fork spot. You have a built-in spoon spot. On the top here, this is a heat, like a vent. So, side note, when you're heating things up, you got to make sure that's open because, you know, you're going to create some pressure in there. You have a rubber type handle, so industrial type handle, and this will come off. So if you wanted to take it off because you don't need it for whatever reason, you have the option to do so. You have 4 clamps on either side to kind of keep all your food in there nice and neat. You have a car charger. I'm gonna tell you why this is critical. And then you have your traditional, outlet plug here. They both plug into the same spot. The plug is just a slightly different. Now, you also get a carrying case, if you will, if you want to like separate your food. You have this. I'm not really sure what this little spot is for. Maybe I'm not really sure, but you have that inside. I've already got some noodles cooking away. You have, this is the inside. It's all sealed. You have a rubberized ring right here. Actually, man, can't wait to eat it. I'm actually pretty hungry. This is now quite hot, and that goes there. So this is what you would clean. The pasta obviously does not come with this. So you have your pasta in there, and this would sit, I guess, wherever you wanted to put that in there if you were doing something with it. And then, most importantly, you have a carrying case that can be zipped up. And then it has a mesh here to hold extra stuff you might want to put in your lunch, your portable thing. And this is insulated, as you can see. Why is all this critically important? Just think that if you are traveling, the first thing I thought of was, let's say I was traveling and I'm camping and I have my vehicle, or I had someplace where this would come in handy. Boom, you can have your food in there and you can heat it up. Now, that definitely says this is not something to cook like raw food. It's to heat up pre-cooked food. So I guess if you wanted, you could have maybe a liquid in there like a soup or a chili, or in this case, buttery, nice, delicious pasta, which I can just tell you, yes, that is hot because I had butter in there. It's already melted. It says depending on the type, I've already realized it took this. I mean, this is really hot, but you can see I can hold it. I can hold it all the way around. You don't have to worry about me burning myself, or if you have young ones or whatever. I mean, this is, So yeah, I'm touching this and I'm not burning myself. I just unplugged it, as you can see. The instructions say up to 25 minutes to get it like fully brought up to temperature. I think it did a little bit faster than that, just on my personal use. Now you might be wondering like how much food you can put in there. So you can put about 1.9 liters, of your favorite food to heat up and keep warm. And it does, which I'm starting to realize more I use this, is it not only brings the food up to temp, but then it keeps it at temperature, which is really important. This is also stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rusting or anything like that. And all these things, all these elements as far as what's going to touch the food can be easily cleaned. They're all easy to clean, and it's recommended obviously you clean after every single use because you are using your food. This is not something you would put, because it is an electrical device, you would not put this in a dishwasher or anything like that. This pretty much is not even going to get dirty because all the food's going to go in here, and you just clean it off, nice and neat. This can be cleaned off nice and neat because there's no heating element in this. This is built well. I will give them credit for this. It is definitely built well. It snaps here, it snaps there, it snaps there, and then you are sealed. Now, is it watertight? I know I mentioned like chili or soup or something. I probably, me personally, wouldn't test that thought process out. I'm thinking more of, rice, pasta, meat, something that you want in there that you kind of want insulated, and then you can plug it in, warm it up, and you got a hot meal where it might be convenient. Or you might be, maybe you're somewhere and you don't want to, you're not a microwave kind of person. Or if you're at the office, and you're sitting at your desk and you're like, it's time for lunch. You get ready to you plug this thing in, and it's going to be warming up, and then lunchtime hits, boom, you got a nice hot meal. You don't even need to leave your desk. So there's all kinds of applications that I just was thinking of. The first thing I thought of, especially when I saw this, was, oh man, that's gonna be pretty cool, taking on trips and having my food in there. So hopefully that answers any questions you might have about this old electric heated lunchbox, and we'll talk to you soon.